Hi guys, so this video is going to be me just sitting and talking to you guys about my classes that I have coming up for Jamaica and for Florida. Now if this video is choppy, it's because when he starts to fuss, I'm gonna cut that part out and then move along, okay? And I'm going to be filming, oh lord, I'm going to be filming another talking video after this same makeup because girl, who gonna check me? Who gonna check me, boo boo? Nobody, baby. So this look I filmed, let me put my phone on silent. I filmed this look, by the way. It's using Juvia's Place, and I want to talk about that in another video. But for now, my classes. So I'm having classes in Jamaica and in Florida. I have registration is now open on my website. Please excuse the look, just how things are placed. I'm really not pleased with how things are placed, but I do my own stuff, yo. Like I everything on the back end I do on my website, LyricRochester.com. For the images though, like the more professional looking images, those are definitely the copy boy, but I call him Leron. Like that's my nigga. Like Leron is my nigga. Sorry, let me just bring up his page right now. The Instagram, the copy boy on Instagram, focus, there we go. He's my graphic designer. I've known him for years. I've always used him. And yes, any professional images that you see, like it's all him. So registration is now open on my website, LyricRochester.com, and right now we're having a crazy discount. We're having $150 off. So having a crazy discount. So for the Jamaica, this is on the phone. So this is Jamaica, this is Florida, and for the Jamaica classes we are having $150 off. So the cost for the course is $600. I'm gonna say see pricing options. So the cost for the course is $600 when it comes up. Alright, so the full cost is $625 for the course, and we have you can get $150 off. You can get $150 off for the Jamaica course, and $625 minus 150. Oh my gosh, Jaleel. Right, so the classes are $625 US dollars. You get $150 off, which brings it down to $475. Now, of that $475, the only deposit you have to pay is $175. Now, the thing is though, this deposit will not last long. This deposit is up until, it's not on the website. It's up until, I need to put it on the website. It goes until the 22nd of September, I want to say. Let me double check the date. The 20th. So this discount goes until the 20th of September. So you can only get $150 off until the 20th of September. Now for the first 5 students that actually register at the full price, there's a makeup artist list that kit that I'm compiling for you. Now we just have a couple of the items that you can get on the kit, like a brush folio, stuff that I love. So it's basically my makeup artist faves that you'll be getting. It's just like thank you so much for paying full price, you know, that kind of a thing. You know, that's all, it has to be a reward, honey. So if you pay full price, you get a makeup artist kit. There are some items listed on the website, but we'll be adding more to the list. I want to add like 10 to 15 items in that kit, and it would be cool to actually incorporate a kit, you know. So yeah, so that's that for the first 5 students only who want to pay full price. But if you don't want to pay full price, that's fine. You can get the $150 off, and you can register right now on my website, LyricRochester.com. Now for the first 5 people that do register, the first 5 registrants, everybody in the class leaves with a goodie bag, and I really want to do something special for the first 5 people too who register at the discounted price. I really want to do something special for you guys. So we're still working out the kinks where that's concerned, but I really wanted to let you guys know that classes are being held here in Jamaica as well as Florida. Now for Florida, you get $165 off, and the classes are, I think, $650, and you get $165 off. And you register, let me go on the website. So you have to be doing everything with one hand, which is beautiful. So the classes for Jamaica is November 29th to the 1st of December, and the classes for January next year is the 2nd of January to the 4th of January. Okay, so you can pay in full as well for the Florida classes, and for the Florida classes is $165 off, and your deposit is $185. So the Florida class and the Jamaica class is $100 difference for the classes. Yeah, $100 difference for the classes. No, you can pay using your credit card or PayPal. The thing is though, if you do have a PayPal account, that would be great. If you don't have a PayPal account, it is fine. All you have to do is create one. Creating a PayPal account is absolutely free, and if you're Jamaican, all you need is a debit credit card, like a Scotia debit credit card. Are the only ones that I have, Scotia debit credit, and I think First Global does debit credit cards as well. So all you have to do is open a PayPal account and link that Scotia or First Caribbean debit credit card to your PayPal account, and when you do that, whatever money is on your card, they will put it through the PayPal. So that also secures the money. You can easily get refunds or whatever using that method, because PayPal is very quick to put their customers, put the buyers first, not the sellers, the buyers first. Yes, so let's say I have a PayPal account. I open a PayPal account, and then you have to link a card. So I link my Scotia debit credit card, and I make sure the money is on my Scotia debit credit card. When it's on my Scotia debit credit card, when I go to make the deposit for the classes or pay in full for the classes, it pulls that money from my Scotia debit credit card. Now, the classes in Jamaica will be held at Whole Life Ministries, Whole Life Bible School, and that's the place that we used last year for our classes. It's very comfortable. It's a college, Whole Life Bible College, sorry. So it's a college, air conditioned, comfortable environment. We're in half a tree, so we have York families over there. It's a clock tower right this one. Then you have KFC, fish pot, chicken and things. You have the upstairs in the York families. They can be have mothers. You have a lot of food options around, and that's what I wanted to do. Have it central so that you have a lot of food options around. So that's what we did. So that's that. You don't need anything at all. We provide every single thing for you for the classes. The only thing that we ask is that you wear full black. That's all we ask for both Florida and Jamaica. You wear full black. For Florida, the classes are being held at PERISCOPE. Baby, look at your sweat. The classes are being held at at Fellowship Tabernacle in Tamarack, Florida. The address and everything is on the website, and it's also in a central location. I think there's a Denny's there. There's a Jamaican food place across the road as well. There is what's it called? Is it Five Guys? There's this like sandwich place that's across the road as well. So if all for the location of the classes, they're really central. There where you can get food, and that's what I think about food. I ask that you come with an open mind, come ready to learn. Yes, it is only 3 days, but you don't need any more than 3 days. I've been a victim of going to classes for 8 weeks and still come out very insecure about things because the gap was so long. You see, once you come with the willingness to learn, wanting to know more about makeup, wanting to be better at makeup, I'm telling you, you will see wonders in just the first day. Because for most creatives, for most of us, all we need is one person to believe in us. For most of us, all we need is one person to say, yo, that look really good, and it lifts your confidence. And that's what my classes are about. We live with relationships in our classes, not like together like that's my boo thing, but you know, friendships are formed and are maintained in the classes, and that's what I love as well. My students can always talk to me. That's what I love as well about that. And yes, I just wanted to let you guys know that the classes are now open, and if I tell you that I was not nervous, I will be lying, because hell, I am nervous. Just had Jaleel, and that's just the thing with me, you know. I can't sit still at all. When I went into labor, well, early signs of labor, whatever, with Jaleel, I was getting my lashes done, you know, my little Brazilian, you know what I'm saying, like, that's what I was doing. You know, I'm never the type to just sit home and to do absolutely nothing. If I'm sitting home, I'm editing, I'm recording, I'm like, no, I'm here, you know, and I'm still working. So yeah, so I am nervous. I am really nervous every time I'm doing, and I told Germany, I said, I'm like, babe, I'm so nervous. What am I going to do? The classes, like, babe, just relax, because I'm always nervous before I do classes. But I am very proud of all the students that we have trained over the years. You can follow us on LyricRochester International on Instagram, just see the photos, and I'm just very, very proud of my girls. I'm extremely proud of my girls. And if you are a student and you want to return, hit me up, because obviously you get a discount. I didn't say that, but you do get a discount if you want to come back to the classes. I won't charge you full price, you know. So, and my students have my number. If they don't have my number, they have a way to contact me. But all my students should have my number, because for every class I always put a number on the board. This is my number. So yeah, so this is it. My classes are in Jamaica, also in Florida. You can register now. Registration is now open. $175 to register for the Jamaica classes, and $185 to register for the Florida classes. So please stay tuned to LyricRochester International on Instagram. I will be doing all the updates there, like for the goodie bags and stuff. All the updates will be there, and I'm extremely proud to announce that we have on board as one of our sponsors Juvia's Place. It will not be a lot of stuff, but it just means a lot to me that they have agreed to sponsor, you know. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I'm going to charge this battery and make another video. But yeah, thank you guys for your love, your support, and to our future students, welcome. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.